first. How about what? Mademoiselle, come here, next to me. Okay. So, here, I'm going to help you. Here, okay. So, how about, what do we put? Yes, we are going to make a cake, but how? How about apples?
Yes. We like apples.
A cake with,
Apples.
okay. Now, what do you want?
How
about what?
chocolate?
Chocolate?
Yes.
Yes, natural selection.
Yes.
We like
chocolate.
a cake with,
Apples
and
chocolate.
good. How about, what do you want now? We have this.
How about a banana?
How about bananas?
Yes. We like bananas.
A cake with,
Apples, chocolate, bananas.
How about,
Ice cream. Yes. We like ice cream.
a cake with
Apples, chocolate, bananas, and
ice cream? What else have we got? What else have we got? How about,
fish. Yes. We like fish.
a cake with,
Apples, chocolate, bananas, ice cream, and fish.
and you too, a fish.